See, this is one of the heaviest snowstorm I've witnessed since I moved to the United States. See, it's very, 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 very strong. Very strong. This is Germantown. I don't know how long this will take, but it just started like a minute ago, and it is very, very, very strong winds together with the snow and the showers. It's kind of mixed. One of the heaviest, and it is very, very cold. It is very, very cold. I can feel the cold, very, very cold, and the wind is blowing from all department right where I'm standing, shaking my body. Yeah, I am feeling more pressure, more pressure. This is a huge storm. Very, very, see, very, very huge storm, and very soon the road will be covered with all snow. If you look at me, you can see, and see. I'm facing the snow, and the pressure, it is very, very, very strong, and it is even more than direct rain falling on me. But this is snow, very strong, and I'm expecting like the next 10-15 minutes we'll get like 3 or 4 or 5 inches. This is one of the biggest storm I've ever witnessed. I've never seen this before since I moved to the States, and I am so cold that I can't even open my arms. I find it, very, very, very difficult. See, it's very, very difficult. And some of the cars at this time, I think they will not speed, but you can see they are also speeding in the snow like that. And when it comes to this snow, you don't need to drive speed because of the road conditions become so difficult. And I don't think they prepared for this snow, because in the morning I never saw any snow plows on the road. So I'm wondering how the cars will be able to apply the road, because I don't see any salt on the road when I was coming. And the power with the snow, where I mean, who be there is still be a study. I'm not the to Sabra because I'm for cars win if you say a pile with the snow. White. Ushami, as I say, I'm not going to say, Ushami out to say, Mia Casano, the Hunamina, I snow. Who says a cough, but a yadia a cough to the level I mean for Sabia. Tiaba said you started first, no. This is quite different from when it started. But now I say, can you move a side day? Snow ni move a side day. I feel comfortable at the day, but the moon so they you kind of blessing. A Sunday morning, I'm enjoying the snow. Sunday morning, I will say, be our hard and cows who said it. Feeling it here, very, 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 very strong power. Very strong. A ball out to say, a ball, you can feel it. It's kind of says you are to that is how this snow is. And I don't know if it is already mixed with rain or what, but you can see the white snow just coming. My goodness. This is so wonderful. So wonderful. And for America, I Germantown crew, you find a Germantown. It is close to Gettysburg. More money has here. Yeah, snow and tie and to strong say. Oh, this is the first time who said snow at toa. I know your day, this is the first time. You see how the answer me because I'm who said then I want you run you to answer me then so thank you very much for being part of me. You can enjoy the video, and if you have any comments, you can post on the comment section. Thank you once again. Have a wonderful day.